forecasting some severe weather that can impact the Ohio Valley all this week. So here we go. Alright, your day one severe weather outlook by the Storm Protection Center. It looks like there is an enhanced risk of severe weather that will impact southern Missouri, northwest Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, and southeastern Kansas. Now there is also a slight risk in central to southwest Indiana, southern Illinois, western Kentucky, western Tennessee, northwest Mississippi, south central Missouri, central Kansas, western Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, and south central Arkansas. Now the main risks today for will be a 5% tornado risk right here where my arrow's at. That will be in western Arkansas, east central Oklahoma, and also there will be a 2% tornado risk for the slight risk area, which will impact southwestern Indiana, southern Illinois, western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, southeastern Missouri, central to northern Arkansas, and much of Oklahoma that's not in the 5% tornado risk. Now, it will be mainly a wind and a hail threat, but tornado will not be ruled out. Now, the areas impacted by the wind threat, there's a hatch risk there. Will be northwest Arkansas, southwest Missouri, northeast Oklahoma, and southeast Kansas, along with the hail threat, which is really in the same areas, except for in Kansas, where y'all don't really have much of a wind threat. Now your day 2 outlook, let's take a look at that. The severe weather threat will push further east as there is an enhanced risk for severe weather in central to eastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Virginia, with a slight risk issued for central Pennsylvania, far eastern West Virginia, eastern Virginia, a little bit of central Virginia included in that, and northeastern North Carolina, where there is a 5% chance for a tornado within the enhanced zone, a 30% chance for damaging straight line winds in the zone 2, and a 15% within the slight risk area where my arrow's at. Now your day 3 outlook. Now we'll break this all down here after a bit, but looks like the severe weather will continue to happen over here in the northwest part of the Ohio Valley region, which includes southwestern Iowa, northwest Missouri, eastern Nebraska, and northeastern to northern Kansas. Now day 4 and 5, they're going to be kind of quiet in this region, except for day 5 really is the far northwest part of the region, which includes northwest Iowa and northeast Nebraska. Now day 6, you got to look out. It's a severe weather day, so you got to find out you got to know your plans, where to go when severe weather happens in your area, as there is a 15% yellow area highlighted by the Storm Protection Center. So you gotta be weather aware that day. Now let's break down some models. Forecast models. Right. That one's updating. Let's look at the GFS, y'all. This is a long range model, but the low res, long range model. But let's take a look at her. Alright. Now, today, looking like the severe weather threat is occurring, as there's a tornado watch issued for this area over here till 8 o'clock tonight. That's Central Time. And this is what the radar could look like in the future. As you see, that goes out till Sunday. Now your dew points, they're going to be pretty high, along with high temperatures, which will collide with a cold front. See, dew points in the 70s by Thursday morning. It's pretty high. That's going to have cause some severe weather on Friday. Welcome to summer, y'all. Now we're going to look at the fundamentals of the severe weather. Like the CAPE values are going to be high. Convective available potential energy, that is the energy that is needed during to cause severe weather. Like dew points, moisture, which is moisture, wind shear, all that stuff. This takes you out to Tuesday. You see all that reds there? Let's take a look at the photographs. Lots of CAPE. See? Temperatures, dew points. Not much wind shear though. Usually if you have wind shears that are curved up here, that's definitely favorable for a tornado, but they're blowing out of this direction here, which is north, south, east, and west, if I have that right. It's been a while. Now if we look at a photograph that shows tornadoes, it's really not much. The significant tornado parameters really ain't off the charts much this week, so mainly it's just going to be a wind and hail threat. Now your surface CAPE. Really not much there. Now let's look at the composite reflectivity. This is the NAM. As you see over here, by Monday, when the severe weather threat pushes towards the east, there's some supercells. There's a line of severe weather, so the cold front's out here. So it will be nice and cool for earlier this week. By the end of the week, it'll be hot, which will be fuel for severe weather along this area right here. Models ain't really showing much, but as we get closer to the event, the model should clear everything up. Now I'll show you all the temperatures. And look at those nice 70s. And whammo, 80s by midweek. I want to show you y'all. This is what causes. This is 850 millibar jet. This is where tornado juice happens. And this is your jet stream. Let's go back to the GFS. After Friday's severe weather threat, don't look very active after that. And a little rain. Some severe weather down by Arkansas. We could have another one by the 25th. It's right around the time for the Indy 500. But by the end of the month, it looks like there could be something right here. So be weather aware and have a plan of where to go when those severe watches and warnings are issued. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see y'all in the next video.